of our agenda, proposed resolution number 2022-5, authorizing Honorable City Mayor Rolando E. Uy, City Administrator Roy Hilario Piraagas, and Honorable City Vice Mayor Jocelyn B.
Councilor Ayan Mark Lakaya, I'm not recognizing you. Please sit down. Okay, continue, Mr. Secretary. Actually, I am the Vice Mayor. Councilor Ayan Mark Lakaya.
Parliamentary inquiry, Madam
I am
Chair.
the sit down. You're not recognized.
Parliamentary inquiry, Madam
Sit
Chair.
down. I
That's
told you.
the parliamentary rule.
Sit down. You're not recognized.
But
Please
you have to
sit
follow the
down.
parliamentary rule, Madam Chair.
Please sit
Malawan
down. You are
katawan.
not recognized. Sit down. Unless you are the Vice Mayor. I am the presiding officer. You are also the councilor.
Yes,
But
Mr.
then,
Chair.
Councilor, Attorney James.
You are the Vice Mayor, Mr. Chair.
Madam Chair, I move for a recess, Madam Chair.
Recess, 1 minute recess.
Madam Chair, point of order. Please, point of order. Point of order does not require the recognition of the chair. That's the rules.
I am
Point of
saying,
order does not require the recognition of the chair. What the chair can say only is, what is your point of order?
what is your point of order?
Please. Let's settle this. A point of order does not require the recognition of the chair. The chair must say, what is your point of order? My point of order is that the chair is not following the rules. Recognized. Councilor Nakaya. A
You
point
need
of
to
order
be
does not-
recognized
you read the
again.
Robert's rules.
You need, I am the presiding officer, so
You are
I
not.
must be followed.
Madam
I
Chair.
am the presiding officer. You be the Vice Mayor,
No.
then I follow you. Sit
Madam
down.
Chair, you
I
are not
said,
the city council.
Sit down.
You
I
are
said,
not the
sit
city
down.
council. We
I'm
are the
warning
city
again.
council. We can overrule you. We can overrule you.
I
No.
hope the
Order,
advisor
order,
can
order,
advise
order.
properly.
Please sit down. Please sit down.
There
Please sit
are
down.
rules,
No.
Madam Presiding
Please sit
Officer.
down.
You have to rule on the point of order. You cannot just ignore
What
that.
is your point of order?
You ask Councilor Nakaya what
I
is
am
point
not
of order.
recognizing Councilor
No, you
Nakaya.
don't have to recognize
Why?
Councilor Nakaya.
Why? I am the Vice
No,
Mayor. I
you
am
are
the
the Vice
presiding
Mayor, but
officer.
you are
and
not
I'm
the Vice
just
Mayor
following What is
You are not the Vice
Parliament
Mayor here.
procedure.
You
That
are
is
the
precisely
presiding
why
officer here.
I call the Mr. Secretary. Why? I can
No.
call you anytime if I
The
want to.
presiding officer
Why?
is different from the Vice Mayor.
Huh?
Remember that. You are not the queen here.
1 minute recess. Let me reiterate, I have never been perfect. I will never be perfect, I tell you. If that is how I interpreted it to be, then I need to learn more. I am never afraid of saying I have pride that I know everything. I do not know everything. I tell you. So, give me a chance. Give me a chance to deliver what is right, what is parliamentary. I am starting and I'm learning. By a day or two, I will never learn with this, but I will learn in the experience. And this experience alone will taught me to be a better vice mayor of the city. And again, I want to tell everyone, do not laugh at my mistake. This is my first time. I can always commit a mistake anytime. But then at the end of the day, I try. I try to recover, I try to learn, and I try to study. Not like before. Not like before, I was never given a chance to speak. I was never given a chance to celebrate what a councilor should be. I was deprived of almost everything. Now I have this floor, I will accept whatever demeanor, whatever mistake that I have. Then I will try. I will try to do what is best. As vice mayor, I will never be ashamed of my shortcomings because this is me. This is what I am. So thank you very much. Someday, this will not be the same if you think that this is unruly, chaotic. I've been hearing negative, but then at the end of the day, we continue to learn, we continue to study, and we continue to trust the God that we love so much. Thank you.